Hi, good day. Ako po ang naka-assign sa homepage at JavaScript ng Aloha's Hotel website. So sa homepage, ginawa namin itong visually attractive gamit ang video background para agad makapture ang attention ng user. So nilagyan din namin ng overlay at blur effect para malinaw pa rin ang text tulad ng logo line, which is yung Aloha's Hotel natin, yung tagline natin ng So Scenic, So Serene, at saka yung book now and view rooms. May navigation bar din sa taas para madaling makapunta sa ibang sections ng website, which is yung home. Ito yung home natin. Meron tayong about. Yung welcome to Aloha's Hotel. Meron din po tayong rooms. Meron po tayong tatlong rooms dito, which is yung standard rooms, deluxe rooms, and exclusive rooms. We have promotions din. Syempre, promotions package. We have 20% off PWD senior citizens with valid ID. 20% off holidays, special during official holidays, and also 15% off seasonal discount, select periods throughout the year. And also, syempre, meron din kaming events sa aming hotel, events and services, which is yung weddings, corporate events, birthday and anniversaries, private parties, and catering services. Sa contact, meron din po kami dito logo ng aming mga websites. Meron kaming contact us, address, yung phone number, and also our Aloha's Hotel. Running din po siya. So, if ma-search mo man siya sa email, nag-work naman po siya. And sa baba nito is yung book your stay now, which is mapupunta ka ulit dito sa ating website or yung ating homepage. Meron din pala sa baba nito yung ating footer. Nakalagay dito yung 2026 Aloha's Hotel All Rights Reserved para mas madaling makontak ng user.
Now, for this section of content po, ito yung bandang rooms. Our rooms, comfort and luxury for every traveler. Nakikita naman dito, we have 3 types of room. We have standard rooms, which we only have 8 available rooms with amenities like queen-size bed, air conditioning, large dining area, living area, 2 private bathrooms, flat-screen TV, and free Wi-Fi. Sa deluxe rooms, 5 rooms available. We have amenities, 2 single beds, air conditioning, large dining area, 2 private bathrooms, flat screen TV, mini fridge, balcony with view, and free Wi-Fi as well. And the most expensive one is exclusive rooms. We only have 3 of it because it is that expensive. The amenities have single bed, work desk, dining area, private bathroom, premium amenities, and free Wi-Fi as well. This room is ideal for work purposes. Si HTML naman, dito tayo. I prepared this. Tapos naman, sa mga heading titles, we used H2 for sure. Sa nakita nyong heading section subtitle, we used P for paragraph. Paragraph. Then we use division class para dun sa room reads, which is yung nakikita nyo na parang square dyan. Oh yeah. Oh. By the way, the gallery pala, dito yung mga room view, yung mga rooms para makita nyo din. If you click it, makita nyo yung selection rooms. Bale, we have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same as here, we have 5. And this, we have back to HTML. Itong division class, yung card, ito yung nagsisilbing, yung kahon na yan. Yung kahon na yan na placean ng image. This, then, yun yung image style. Yun yung laki, height, and yung object fit. Tapos, ito yung link sa external, yung name na external file. Then, division class room. Ito yung room content, just like I mentioned, H3, yan. And then, yung list order natin, which is pang-list ng mga unordered list. Yan. Same for the other ones naman, parang copy-paste mo lang yan, then papalitan to ang mga amenities for those 3 rooms. The CSS part, ito naman, display, meron kaming grid template columns, gaps para hindi masyadong dikit-dikit, margin for the top para malayo-layo naman yung margin galing sa above content, room card, yung mga background, color, border radius, overflow, which is hidden, back shadow para meron tayong konting effects, shadow, transition, yung transition niya, which is ito, yung kita niya yan, yung parang umaangat siya ng konti. The cursor, para pagka na-point mo yung cursor mo, dun siya magka-transition. Room card hover, transform, room image, height, background, display, align items, justify content center, font size, color. Room content, padding lang. Room content H3 for color. Margin bottom, which is yung parang kulay brownish na may orangey. Room count, color, font size, margin bottom. Amenities list, list type, list style, none, kasi hindi natin kailangan ng masyadong edited. Font size, color, which is parang medyo whitish. Content, para ito yung sa check na nakikita nyo dito for the list. Font weight. And then sa amenity section, amenities background, amenities grid, display, grid template, columns, gap, text align, amenity item, padding, background, border radius, shadow, back shadow, amenity icon, font size, margin bottom. That's it for the rooms. So here, dito tayo sa payment information. This payment information, this is the third step for booking transactions. Here, papakita agad sa inyo yung discounts, which are PWD/senior citizen discount for 20. Biglang nag-off eh. Here, we're at the payment information section, which is the third step for booking. Dito, we have 4 different discounts available, which are PWD/senior citizen discount for 20% off, holiday special for 20% off as well, seasonal discount for 15% off, and for the regulars, no discount. 3 lang pala. Then, papakita dito yung booking summary, which is yung past na details or yung mga nilagay nyong gusto nyo for your rooms. Dito yung booking type, date, number of nights, ilan kayo, and subtotal. And then, select payment method. Naman kung anong type ng payment gusto mo. Whether credit card, GCash, payment, Paymaya. Pero wala pa tayo niyan since for advance na yan. Hindi natin alam yan. Siyempre, hindi tayo makaka-proceed sa next step if di tayo nag-agree dito. Just click it, then we can complete the transaction. Bang! Yan. That's for the other one to explain. Ito naman tayo. Going to CSS, HTML, division class, step content, have H2 as well, for the heading title, for the discount section, which is already labeled, division class, discount section, H3, style. Dito pala nag-style na tayo kasi medyo hassle pagka pinunta pa natin sa CSS. So, style, color, margin bottom, then that's the available part. Available discounts. Sorry. Then the other one, the paragraph style, font size, color, margin bottom. Then dito sa discount options, meron tayong sa labels part na discount option. Sa input style, may width, may type. Ito yung radio. Radio, which is yung pinipindot natin. Ito na pala mababalik. Basta yung something na napipindot na pabilog. Discount, division class, discount title, yung yung pangalan lang ng discount. Yan sa division class, discount desk. So on. That's about it. Yeah. This part of webpage content is called events and services, where you can host your special moments with us. We can host your weddings, corporate events, birthdays and anniversaries, private parties, and caterings. For weddings, we have elegant function hall and beachside setup to make your dream wedding come true. Corporate events, fully equipped conference rooms with audiovisual facilities, perfect for meetings and seminars. Birthday and anniversaries, special events packed with customized decorations, entertainments, and catering services. And private parties intimate gatherings, family reunions, or holiday celebrations in our versatile event spaces. And the last is catering services, wide selections of local and international cuisines prepared by our expert chefs. Mhm. Mhm. HTML na most lang namin gamit, of course, which is very plain and basic. H3 division class for events list. H2s again, then paragraphs. Mostly are repeated, so you can just check it out, sir. Check it out, yo. Uh-huh. Done and done. And it turns out the next person is me as well. So here we go again with our fourth step in booking. Here, nakikita natin yung booking confirmation, which is the first thing para malaman kung okay na, confirmed na. Nandito, ito yung pinaka most significant point for booking, which is this code, randomized generation. Okay. And it turns out the next person is me as well. Here we are again with our fourth step for our booking confirmation. Here, makikita natin yung booking confirmed, which is nagsisilbing proof na nag-book sa amin. And here we have your booking reference, which is a randomized numeric and variable code for your confirmation in your booking. Then here's your booking details again. Papakita dyan for making sure na tama lahat. And the total amount. Nakalagay din dito ang confirmation email, which is magsisend sa inyo if we approved your reservation. And for this last part, it's gonna zoom. Here for inquiries, you can contact us at 63912345678 or 987-654-3210. You can always email us to alohasatel.com@gmail.com. And once you click the back button, you're gonna be arriving here again. And we're going to HTML part now. Wait, where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh. Here's a step for HTML part. Gumamit tayo ng division class, says message. H2 again for main heading. P for the word. Thank you for choosing Aloha Hotel. And mainly sa span, which is yung inline inline separator something. Yeah, para siyang inline divider, ganon. And then repeated hanggang sa mabot tayo dito. That's about it for me.